All right, good day, everyone. Welcome back to KodeCamp 4.0 DevOps class. Today, we are going to be working on a setup class for our different processes that we need for the remainder of the course. We're going to work on setting up AWS. Then we will move on to Docker, then Terraform, and finally, we'll try to install Minikube on our systems. All right. So right now we are in the sign up page of AWS, and I'm going to put in my email. And a name for the account. And this will send a verification email to me, and I will put in the code that is sent. Okay. I'm just waiting now to receive my confirmation code. Okay. So I'm now going to create a password for my account. And make sure that I am in line with all the password requirements. Okay. So this will be for personal projects. I'm going to put in my full name and every other detail here. So all these are necessary details that you have to put in. Okay. We'll be filling that in now. And just do your own on your own end. Now the third step of the 5 steps that I need to put in would be to fill in my card details, right? Okay. So you can use your dollar cards for these steps if you've set that up. And if you've not, then you can come over to Gray or whatever your preferred app is and do it in there. Okay. So Miriam, do you have a virtual dollar card?
No, sir.
Okay. How about you, James? Hello, James. Okay, you said you use your bank directly. James, are you there?
Hi, Eurus. Yes, I think I just reactivated mine.
Okay. Who was the third person?
I used cheaper cash.
You used cheaper cash.
Yeah, I transferred 5K to it. So it's been reactivated for it here for 1 more year.
Okay. Okay, Miriam, so I think I'll work with you then. Do you have cheaper cash?
No, sir. I can create it now.
Okay. I think there'll be some KYC steps that you have to do. So I'll follow up with you on that so that you can pass these steps right here. Who was the third person that was creating this? Dennis, do you have your virtual cards?
No, sir.
Okay, so you'll also be working with Gray or Cheaper Cash, right? So you can download any one of them.
Okay, sir.
I think the point of this call is that we can talk about the problems that we are facing and try to work on it together so that we can set up our environments and so that we know going forward that our environments are similar and all working, right? So that if there are any environmental problems or setup problems, they'll be handled here on this call. So I encourage you to put your hand up so that you can be staged and I can see you. And if you have a problem, I can call you to speak on your problem and see how it is going for you on your end. So don't just be dropping it in the chats. Is what I'm trying to say. I can see some people, they're dropping some things in the chat. I don't know whether, I don't know, you don't, if you're shy, but put up your hand so that you can be staged and I can know that these are the people that I'm working with for now, right? And I'll call you up and you can state your problem, okay? So somebody is having an issue where, in fact, just if it, I will send to you if you come up. All right. So Miriam, Dennis, I believe that in creating your virtual accounts, you will need to go through some KYC to set up your account, set up your Google account. I don't know how these platforms work, but if they're asking you to, do some verifications, just let me know. All right. Miriam,
Okay, sir.
so okay. So we have Miriam, we have there's Miriam, Dennis, and those are the people for AWS. All right, so let us move on to Docker, Bienvenue. Bienvenue also has an issue. Bienvenue, you said you had an issue.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have the account, but I can't set up it because of the card. It's not yet verified.
Card is not verified.
Yes, I have the account already, but it's not yet verified.
Cheaper Cash, does it work in Ghana? Is it? I believe so, yeah. Hello, Bienvenue.
I can hear you, sir.
So do you guys use Cheaper Cash as well? Or what do you use for
I did not use anything yet because I've used some bank this thing, my bank card, but it's not working.
okay.
It's not verified. Someone told me to download PYYPL app. I downloaded it, but it's not working. I don't know why.
Let's try to use either Cheaper Cash or Gray. All right.
Okay.
Do you have Cheaper Cash in Ghana is what I'm asking, or Gray?
No, I don't have it.
Do you know okay. I think someone is saying there's an app that works in Ghana. WirePay. Okay, let me see that. Have you tried WirePay?
I've not tried those ones because I don't know any app for. It's only my bank listing I use, and that app I told you. So I don't know all those wire pay and okay.
Okay, yeah. Use Cheaper Cash. Download Cheaper Cash. I think it's there in Ghana. All right.
Okay, I will check it.
Okay. So we can pack this for now. I'm happy to come back to it later. So just be working on setting up these virtual cards, setting up your virtual card. Miriam, how is it going? Hello, Miriam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you started
I'm
setting it up?
No, I'm unable to access the cheaper cash. It said I've been blocked. I don't know why. Because of my my location,
What location is that?
Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
You try VPN.
I will do some research to see what you can work with.
Okay, sir. Thanks, sir.
Drop a message for me on Discord so that I'll remember that. Seems you've
Okay, sir.
already have you set up you said you set up yours as well?
Yes,
You said-
the account is active now. I use cheaper cash also. It's easy.
Where are you joining us from?
I'm in Nigeria for now.
Okay. So how do you know VPNs work in Saudi Arabia?
When I used to I used VPN for over 4.5 years when I was living in China. So
Say that again.
I used VPN for over 4.5 years when living in China to access everything.
Okay.
So
Okay.
now I'm back to Nigeria.
You can share the particular one with you so that we can look into it as well to see whether it would be good for her.
Super VPN is a free VPN. I used to use Siphon for my PC then. So Chinese government was very crazy. They don't allow any external website.
Let's drop that on Discord. Let's drop that on Discord. Okay. Drop that on our community and we'll discuss on that. All right. Thank you, teams. Thank you, Miriam. Dennis, where are we? Hello, Dennis. Okay. Bienvenue.
Sir,
Have you tried to download Chipacash? Wow. We're really doing a lot of promotions for various fintechs today. Let's park this, right? We'll continue when we all have our dollar cards and we're all on the same page. So everybody, hello, David.
Hello.
I can't hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. So, when I sent the like the verification code, it said I already have an account associated with, and
Okay.
like yeah, my email is associated with like an AWS account.
Okay, this email, do you have access to that email?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you do is to go to the sign-in page instead, right? Let me share my screen. Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Hello, David. Did you see what I dropped in the chat for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Miriam, I would follow up with you on how you can set it up for yourself.
Okay, sir, please, I have a question.
Dennis,
Okay.
I'll be expecting to hear from you on your progress with that with Chipper Cash. And Teams, thank you so much as well. I think you're sorted out. So thank you guys. Okay, you can put your hand down. Miriam,
Yes, sir.
okay, you can put your hand down now.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. So yours will sort it out with the virtual card, right? Okay. Okay, Michael, can I hear from you, please? Could you explain what you said? Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, so trying to complete my sign up for AWS, but every time I keep on um adding my credentials and filling in the details, it comes back with this error.
Okay.
Processing my request and all of that. So I've done that like 5 times. I just stopped. So I was thinking I would just ask for their customer support, but I don't even know what to even ask them to.
This is not for when you've passed the part of putting in the putting in your card details.
I know, I've not passed it. I don't think I have. I've not added any packages yet. You
What
can't.
step is this?
What?
What step is this? Is it showing step 1?
Let me even go through this. This
If
is just to complete my sign up. It's not like I already have the account, but then I should just complete it so I should confirm my identity.
you already have the account.
Huh?
Did you say you already have the account?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm using Chrome, by the way, so I don't know if it's an issue.
I don't think you can try another browser, but I don't think it's a browser issue. Try a voice call.
What?
Try to use a voice call. Right?
Voice call.
Yeah.
Now,
Instead of text message.
let me refresh the page.
Okay.
Voice call.
Okay. Okay, if you don't have Terraform, put up your hand. Let me see.
Yeah.
We're not going to talk much about what Terraform is right now. We're just going to try to install it on our systems. Okay. So depending on the environment you're working with. Okay, let me drop this link. Right. So I've dropped a link in the chats. If we go to that link, we can see that there are various installation steps for various kinds of environments. There's the one for macOS. There is Windows where you have to download the binary depending on your kind of system. And then there's Linux as well, right? Where you can use wget, or you can also download the binary if you don't want to use that. Okay. I can copy this if I'm working in a Mac environment, copy this, and then come to my terminal and paste it, right? And then run that. I'm copying the next one to install HashiCorp Stack Terraform. Okay. And then I paste this one to install Terraform. But I already have Terraform on my system, which you can just see with Terraform version. Yeah. That shows that I have Terraform on my computer presently. Okay. So this one is pretty straightforward. You just download it and run the installation. All right. So how are we doing? Dari, how is it going?
Okay, I'm currently installing it. I just copied the commands just now.
Okay.
Please, sir.
Hello.
For window, because I'm using Windows 11. So
Okay.
which one should I choose here? Is it the AM64 version? Because I can see two here for the window user.
Okay, you have to go to the about of your system. If you go to settings, you go to about. Then you can see your type of system. Whether it has x86 or whether it's AMD. Right?
I can't hear you well. I say I'm
Can you
using
hear me?
window. Should I select the AMI64, AMID64?
You to know the one you select, you have to know the system you're using, right? Which one works for your system. So to find out, you go to settings, settings, you go to about, and when you look through that, you see whether your system is x86 or hello. Have you gone to about? Bienvenue. Were you the one I was talking to?
So you should I should go to about on my laptop, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Hello, Miriam.
Hello, sir.
How is it going?
Yes, I've downloaded this thing from my Windows, so I will install it now.
Okay. Did you use the 86 or did you use AMD?
AMD.
Okay. You're sure your system is AMD?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You checked in the about or
Yes, I have checked before. I know before.
really cool. Teams. How is it going?
I've downloaded the Terraform. I'm trying to need to extract the file, then to run it. I need to install it on my Windows, right?
Yes. Miriam, you've installed it as well.
I will do that now.
Okay. So Dennis, how is it going on your end?
Yes, I've started with the installation.
Okay. Dari,
Yes, I've started the solution too.
oh, I thought you would have finished. Okay. All right, Abdul. Yeah, Abdul.
So I've installed it.
Okay, so you're ready now.
Yes, sir.
Could you do Terraform version?
Yeah, I choose 386.
Okay. Go to your terminal and do Terraform version. Write Terraform version the way I wrote it here. Right?
CMD. Okay, sir.
You
Hold
can
on,
use Git.
sir.
We all downloaded Git Bash now, Abi.
Yeah, I'm using Git Bash. I'm using Git Bash.
Just do this Terraform version.
Uh,
Okay. Bienvenue. Where are we?
I've downloaded it, so I'm installing it now.
Okay. You've checked yours is it AMD or 86?
Yes, AMD.
All right. Who has finished?
Okay, I've finished.
Say. Let's say.
Ah, my God, long time more.
Very, very long ago. How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. Well, I'm
How
just
many
working from
on
distance.
YouTube?
Please, what are we downloading and installing? Let me catch up with you guys.
Okay.
I'm using
Yeah.
a Mac. What are we downloading, please? Is it Terraform?
Terraform, yeah.
Okay, is there a link or something, or I should just go on Google and download it?
The link is in the chat. Just go through the chat. You'll see it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Daria, are you done?
Yeah, yes, I'm done. Yes.
You have done the Terraform version.
Yes.
Okay. So you're solid. If you're done, just put down your hand. Yeah. Okay. Teams, is there a problem?
My installation is not working. It's not even after I click run. I don't know
It's
why.
it's not opening. Did you say it's not opening? Hello, Abdul. Abdul, can you hear me? Teams.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Hello?
yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Well, I'm still trying it. I don't know if it requires me
Yes, sir.
to.
Hello, sir. Yeah, it's prompt V1.90.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, I use Chocolate to install it instead because the other one is just dropping. So I just open to my PowerShell and just install it to Chocolate. So I can access it now.
Yeah, ARM64. So I'm seeing a ARM and ADM. I'm using a Mac. Which one will I go for, sir, please?
Your Mac, is it
It's not Intel. It's the other one.
okay, use
Okay, sir.
okay. Teams, sorry. You said you had a problem.
Yeah, after I downloaded it, I extracted the file and double clicked for it to install. Only, but so far,
Yeah, I think I'm
nothing.
also facing the similar issue with Teams. When I downloaded it, I click it will not run. To just be dropping. So that's why I use Chocolate to install it. Maybe you can also use it.
Okay,
Even
so
my two is doing the same thing.
you
You said?
downloaded
I didn't
did
get you.
you download Chocolate?
Yeah, it's already installed on my PowerShell. So if you install the chocolate on your PowerShell, you just type choco install Terraform, it will install it for you. But you need to install chocolate on your system, just like Git bash do.
Okay, so if I open, if I run, what
Run
Please, can you
chocolate
drop it
version.
here?
Run
Can you
chocolate
drop the
version.
chocolate this thing?
Run
Okay,
chocolate
hold on.
version on
Okay,
your tablet to see if you
just go
have it.
to okay. So-
Oh, Abdul,
Chocolate?
you can go ahead. Say what you want
Yes,
to
yes, sir. I can hear you.
something.
No, I'm not saying anything.
Okay.
Please, I'm on PowerShell now.
Yeah, first of all, go to Chocolate site and type out to install on Chocolate on Windows. So it will show you how to install it on Windows. So
Oga, there's a small challenge. Oh. He's telling me a Terraform can't be open because the identity of the developer cannot be confirmed.
Hello, Teams.
Yes, I'm with you.
How's it going with chocolate?
Uh, I'm trying to Google how to install Chocolate. I think I need to install it on PowerShell.
Chika, you were putting up your hand before. I hope you're good now.
Yeah, so I'm not good though.
Okay.
I'm not good. I don't understand. I tried the link you dropped on the chat,
Okay.
and I'm not seeing option for chocolate. Please, I want to understand. Must this chocolate be installed via
Do you have
command
Terraform?
line?
Do you have Terraform?
No, I don't have Terraform.
Oh, you didn't put up your hand.
I did, but the network kicked me out, probably. So I just logged back in.
Okay. So have you tried downloading with the binary?
Binary. How?
Yes.
The first link you dropped, I did not access
Can
that first
you see
link
my,
because the network kicked me out.
can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. These
Please,
are the
can you share this link again? This one on your screen. Yeah.
yeah. So that's it. Um,
Okay.
Miriam, could you come on stage, please? Right? Miriam, just put up your hand so that we can see you. I want to know if it worked for you with as you downloaded the binary.
No, it didn't work too. So
It
I
didn't work.
used latte too. Yes, it didn't work.
So you're using Chocolatey now.
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. So Windows guys, I think we'll have to use Chocolatey. I don't think it's working. The binary is working for some people. Because Chika has said the same thing and Miriam has said the same thing and Sims has said the same thing.
Please, where can I get the chocolates from?
Chocolate.
So I've so
you would-
okay, sir.
you would get it. I think I dropped the link.
I've dropped the on the chat box. So you just copy the all the code, just run your PowerShell as an administrator and just paste it there. It will automatically install
Run
Chocolatey for you.
PowerShell as administrator, please. That is
Yeah,
important.
that's very important as an administrator.
Yes, you just right click on it from your
Okay.
window. You see run as administrator, so you do that. Okay.
How do I check if I have Chocolatey installed?
Chocolatey version.
Chocolatey dash version.
Let me confirm that. Just do Chocolatey version. Who is with Windows? Can you try that? Just do Chocolatey version. If that doesn't work, then you can do the dash version. Or you can just do Chocolatey. If you just write that. If your terminal now tells you something like command we don't understand this word or something like that. Some error like that.
Choco dash that version worked.
Just version.
Okay, dash version. The two dash and the version.
Yes. You write it like this. Yes, but
Okay, it's installed. I think my mistake
When it
was
is installed.
I was typing Chocolatey in full.
Okay. So Miriam, did you see your own
I've
Chocolatey?
installed it now.
You installed who? You installed what? Chocolatey or Terraform?
Terraform.
On Windows.
1.9. Yes.
On Windows. On Windows.
Yes.
Okay. Chika, could you put your hand up? Miriam, how are you? How is it going?
I'm done installing. I have the version 1.10
Is that
for Terraform.
Terraform? Okay, put your hand
Yes.
down. Chika. Teams, how far?
Hello?
I've installed Chocolatey. Now I think it's to install Terraform. Please,
Okay.
how do you use
Chika,
Chocolatey to install Terraform?
it's in the chat. Check in the chat. Abdul drops that. Chika, how is it going?
I downloaded the Terraform from the way you told me via binary, but it's already downloaded in my system and it's splitted into two. One says license.txt, then one says terraform.exe. I clicked on the terraform.exe, but it will just kind of bring up my command prompt and shut down again. I don't understand.
Which one did you download? Which one of these two? Was it 386 or AMD 64?
386.
Try the AMD.
I should delete this one here first.
Well, you don't have to. You don't have to. Or you can just use chocolating. Right?
I think I've installed this chocolate before. I don't even know how to find it again.
Okay. Nuse.
Yeah, Maogasa, please, how do I know the thing is installed? When I tried the installation, I saw some write-up on my terminal, so I don't know if it's installed or not.
This is for Terraform.
Yes, I wrote Terraform version, nothing came up. Okay, command not found.
Command not found.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's not installed. It's not installed. So just use chocolating. We are moving on to Docker now.
On the Mac.
What? Are you on
On-
Mac?
Yes, sir.
This is the one you're using here. Brew. Have you gone to this have you gone to this page?
Let me. You said I should do ARM 64. That's what I
No.
downloaded.
Mm-mm. If you're on Mac, just use brew and you'll be all right.
Okay, sir.
All right, guys, we will move on to Docker now. I have Chika. Teams, are you done?
It's installing now. It's installing. So I think it should be done in like 1 minute or so.
I have Chika, Miriam. So that's for Terraform. Okay. So moving on to Docker. I don't have Docker. Put up your hand. Everybody else, put your hand.
I've not installed my Terraform.
Yes, yes. That's you and Miriam. Right? You've not installed Terraform yet, so you just keep doing that and we'll come back to both of you to check on you and see how it's going. Are you having any problem right now? Where are you? You're trying to get chocolatey, right? Is that what the step you're on?
Yeah, that's the step I am on. But
Okay.
please,
You know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
Okay. Abdul, where is this thing you dropped?
Second, that thing that is being dropped be dropped on Discord
Okay. Okay. It's on this.
answered us Zoom. And my Discord, I can easily access it from my laptop. So I'll stop typing
And
instead
it
I
be
can
dropped on
copy and
this
paste.
call or Discord. What did you say?
Any link that is shared, can it be dropped on Discord so I can copy it direct?
It's on Zoom here. The link is on the things are on Zoom here.
Okay. Why is this Terraform difficult to download? Why can't I just Google how to download Terraform and it will download?
So that brew you showed me, it's not clickable. Oh. I'm clicking it, it's not clickable, it's just there.
Is your terminal open, Lucy?
Yes, sir, it's open, sir.
Your terminal is open.
Yes, sir.
Write brew on your terminal.
All right, sir. I've done that, sir.
What did you see?
Brew search, text, brew install, brew update, brew upgrade, brew uninstall, brew list, troubleshooting, contribution, further
So
help.
this thing you see here that you were clicking on,
Yes,
type
sir.
it. Type it. Don't click on it. You have to type it. Root tab, type it, root tab, hash copy tab. Type it
Okay, sir.
out or copy and paste. Okay.
Good. Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. We will move on to Docker now. All right, so I don't have Docker. Put up your hand. I don't have Docker. Put up your hand, please. And you can put down your hand, everybody else. Okay, so I've dropped the link on the charts. You can go to the link and either select the one for Mac, and just directly download Docker Desktop. Right, when you download Docker Desktop, it will also come with Docker Engine and daemon to install that for you. Okay. So are we all here? Are we all on? If your hand is up because of Terraform, could you put your hand down?
Mine is up because of Docker.
Okay. So these are the only three people that don't have Docker. Is that what I should understand? If you don't have Docker, put up your hand. Okay. Okay, Teams.
Yes, I don't have Docker. I
Okay.
think so. Oh no, I've downloaded Docker, but I don't think I've installed it on my Windows. I don't know if it's downloaded. I downloaded it a long time ago. I don't think it's the current version though, but I never installed it.
Okay, install it or just download this new one again. Just download it again so that you can get the most recent version.
So please, do you mind dropping the link for this Docker as well? docs.docker.com/engine/install.
Lucy, are you looking at what we are doing in the chat? Are you following what we're doing in the chat?
Yes, sir. I'm in the chat. I didn't see the link there.
You can see the link there.
Yes, I can't see it there.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it's there.
Yes,
It's there. It's there.
Okay.
Ahmed, you got it?
Yes, I'm doing my installation, sir.
Okay. Dennis, you're doing yours as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, it seems I have Docker, but then I think it's the old version. Do I need to still download this all over again?
You don't need to, no.
It's over a year.
That's fine. That's fine. Just use
Okay,
that. Bienvenue. Docker is installed, yes?
Yes, sir.
Teams, how are we doing?
Keep downloading.
Okay. Teams, how are we doing? Hello, Teams.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, is your Docker up and running?
The Docker version I have was what I downloaded last year, November. I don't know if I should still download the new one. I should just use it.
Use it.
Okay, let me install it there.
Okay. All right, so we'll move on to Minikube now. Guys, put down your hands. Thank you. If your hand is raised, put it down. Okay. I don't have Minikube. Put up your hand. If your hand is not up, so you have Minikube. Benedict, do you have Minikube? Benedict, you have Minikube? Okay. So I'll work with the people that have their hands up, right? I will drop this in the chat. So we'll focus on this installation part, right? Don't worry about the Minikube start yet. We'll talk about all of that when we get to working with Minikube. Okay. So this has various installations for various operating systems. There's Linux, there's Mac, there is Windows, right? So I'll drop this one for Windows. I'll drop this one for Mac. I don't know if anybody is using Ubuntu as their operating system. Okay, so
Yes.
in Mac, you can either use x64 or ARM. I hope you're seeing my screen. This is changing some things in the link. Oh. Do you understand? In fact, I hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. I can see, sir.
So these things I'm clicking, they are changing things in this link here.
So we'll run the first command line, then the second one, again.
No, say. Are you on Windows or you're on Mac?
Mac, sir.
Okay. Just go to this link, right? Go to Google. Let's start from Google. Everybody start from Google. Minikube install. Or just Minikube. The first thing you see, Minikube start. You click on it. Okay. You come down here, operating system, you select your operating system. Then you select your operating system architecture. right? It's either x64 or ARM.
Mm.
If you're on Windows, x64 is the one available. Linux, you have many ones, many available here. So x64 ARM, stable. You can choose to either use the binary that you have to download the binary and then install, or you go and use Homebrew, where you do brew, install Minikube, right?
Mm. In my
Okay.
case, it will be install Minikube since I use Brew to install the other distant.
Yeah, mine is installing now.
Okay, that's good. If you're on
Yeah.
Windows, you
I
have
use
the option of,
I use Chocolatey.
yes, if you're on Windows here, you
Yeah.
can see you have the option of downloading the executable file. You have the option of using Windows Package Manager. You have the option of using Chocolatey, right? And when you're done with installing, you can check using which Minikube, or you can use Minikube version, right? Which Minikube will show you the directory of Minikube, and Minikube version will show you version of Minikube. Okay. Are we there?
Still installing, sir.
Please, my Docker is still installing now. Because since
Sir, please kindly rephrase what you said about Mac, please. I'm there, but I'm not seeing those things you wrote there.
Nuse, are you on this page that I'm sharing? Are you
Yes,
on this YouTube
yes,
chat
I
page?
am. I'm on the page, sir.
Read the things on the page.
Okay. Just a second. What I have there is Minikube start. Then it goes down to that installation part. I selected Mac, the architecture, I selected ARM64. Then it said to install the latest Minikube stable release using binary download. It gave two. One is an HTTP.
Hello.
I'm with you, sir.
Hello, Nuse.
Yes, sir.
Remember when you went to your terminal and you wrote brew?
Yes, sir.
You know, it showed you some things, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have brew on your system, you have brew installed. So instead
Yes,
of
sir.
selecting binary download here, you can
Yes,
just
sir.
click on Homebrew, and to show you this easy way to install it using brew install Minikube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You don't have to bother about the binary. This binary is just, you're going to download a binary that is like a packaged file, and then do sudo install. Instead of doing all that, you can just click on Homebrew here and
Okay,
do
sir.
brew Minikube. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
you're welcome.
It's done, sir. I've linked it as well.
All right, hello. So I think we have 3 people up here. Teams, David and Miriam. Are we facing any issues?
No, I will complete my installation later
Okay.
for the mini cube. I've seen the command.
David, how about you? Miriam? Okay, Miriam is done. David, are you done as well? Okay.
Yeah,
So Chika.
yeah, say I'm done.
Okay. Chika.
Yes, I'm fine. I've installed all of them. Thank
Okay,
you.
that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Well done. Teams, why is your hand up? Okay. So we are all done. We all have our environment set up. Apart from those of us that are not with our laptops. We won't be calling names. So we've all set up our environments.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's wonderful. So going forward, we all have our environment set up. Oh, apart from AWS. Okay. Okay. We'll discuss that on the community. So going forward, we'll be working with these tools, and we will need to have an installation class separate again. We'll be diving into cloud engineering from our next class from VPCs. We'll be talking about all the things we will be needing to know about VPCs, and then we'll talk about some other services going forward. When we are done with that, I'm giving you the course outline now. When we are done with that, we will start talking more about you know, automating the configurations of these things, right? So we'll start with manually creating the services, then we'll go into automating it, right? And then we will go on to other things that I won't tell you about now. So thank you so much for joining this class today. I hope we are all on the same page, and look forward to seeing you in the next classes. All right, goodbye.
Thank you very much, sir. Don't give up on people like us. We will surprise you. Don't